Welcome. Hi, and welcome to my online course, Day 1. Thanks for joining. Today I'll be covering productive meetings, which is from the Success Leadership series. Okay. This is the agenda, which you do in a normal face-to-face environment, but this is just to give you an idea. With any meeting, we always have an agenda, which actually gives you an idea of what's going on, how long the meeting will take, and what the meeting is about. And this one is meeting planning, followed by activities. Okay, there are 3 types of meetings: information giving, information taking, and problem solving, which are very, very important. Okay, so just think of examples of where all these would apply in personal situation and in business situations. These are the steps. So I'd like you to define the purpose. What is the meeting about? Okay. And then we're going to move on to selecting the participants. What kind of people would you select? Selecting the time and location, informing, and developing agenda. So we'll cover all these points. Okay, let's move on. Stating the purpose, there are 9 reasons. And I'd like you to take a look at this and think about what those reasons are and where they would apply. And to actually understand it, before you plan any meeting, the purpose statement is very, very, very important. Okay, these are the samples. Okay, we're going to meet this afternoon to talk about Toastmasters Club meetings. Okay, you can see it's vague. And the other one is more effective because it's mentioned special theme and duration, which is next 3 months. Okay, or the inventory. That one is too vague on the left, and the other is more effective. Why? Because it tells you about discrepancies and generating ideas, which is the detail that you need to understand what the meeting is about. And it comes under problem solving. All right, this is the instructions. All right, so you need to come up with a sentence and the statement purpose of the meeting. Okay, you have 5 minutes for participants to read the scenarios and write the purpose statements, and 5 minutes for discussion. All right, there's the instructions. You have 5 to 10 minutes to do that. Pause the video. Once you're done and you're 100% happy, then you can move on to the rest. So pause it until you are done. Okay, the meeting scenario planning is, this is the Toastmasters Club. Okay, plan B, plan C, D. Okay, so choose the one and then pause the video. Once you're done, then we'll move on to the next session. Okay, welcome back. All right, select the participants after you've done the meeting purpose and you're clear what it's about. And these are the points that you need to understand when you have people joining your meeting. And think about what kind of people you want in your meeting. Then the time and place and location. So think about that very carefully. All right. Then you inform the participants, make sure you give them at least a week notice so they're prepared. Okay. And then you develop the agenda. And that should give you an idea of how it works. As an example. Okay. Then this is the conclusion, and think about what you've just learnt and make sure you understand it clearly before you move on to opening a meeting, because the meeting planning will make or break a meeting. So, see you in the next session. Thanks for attending. And hopefully I will see you for the next part. Goodbye for now.